Bad man time. Big boy. Oh. It's already feeling too late. Come on. 3. Crunch out on my left. Come on. 5. 11. 12. And I'm dedicated to the Magic Man Johnson. Awesome job, Magic got me through on that one.